Hello, here is my fourth assignment for C++. Okay, let's start here. We have two structs, one for the player and the other one for the game. In struct player, all the player information is stored. As last week, I have the name, his and Mrs. of the player. Also, I have now the possibility for every player to choose if he likes to continue the game. Okay. And struct game is all the game information stored, and I changed the struct player array here. It's now a pointer, and there's also the player number, level, and as last week, possibility to play again. This is now for all of the players, so you will see later. Okay, and here I create the actual game, and I set again to true, so the game starts at least once. First printing out welcome to toy, how many players, and then you have to type your player number. For now we have the possibility to play with maximum of 8 players. So if you choose a number less than 1, you have to type your number again, and otherwise it's for 8 players then. Okay. Here I have the array which includes the actual number of the players stored in the dynamic memory. Okay, so then you can choose for every player the name in this for loop. So every player has hits and misses equal to 0, and continue game is set to Y, what means yes, and can choose your name. And for maximum of 8 players, but it depends on how many players you choose. Okay, after that the actual game is starting now. You have to choose your difficulty once, and after that every player is playing once, and if he likes to play again, then again, and yeah, like we had to do in the task. So this counter counts how many people don't want to play again, and I set it here to 0, and every time the while loop starts again, I also set it to 0. This is because it may be that the one person does not play again in the second round, and the other ones play until 10 rounds, and so the counter will get too high, higher than 8. So I set it here to 0, and here is the game. Thinking of the number, choose a number, and if you won or lost, if you want to play again. But if you don't want to play again, next time it will go to this else case and count plus plus. And so it will go this while, if and else loops until count is equal to actual game player number. So if we have, for example, 6 players and the counter is equal to 6, actual game again we set to false, and we don't start this while loop again. So then it ends here, game has ended, and printed out all the player statistics. Once this printing here, and then for every player, hits, misses, and the name. So I can show it to you how it works. One moment, please. Okay, so do it for 3 players, and then everyone's playing it easy. And then the first round has ended, and Jona and Laura want to play again. So it's Jona's turn now, that's right. And it's Laura's turn. And now Laura wants to play again, and it's also right. Yes. And here you see Ansi played 1 time, Jona 2, and Laura 3 times. And yeah, they always won because they played easy difficulty. Okay, thank you.